There are a few myths about HPV vaccine. So the first myth is, are only girls supposed to take HPV vaccine? Is it not meant for boys? So HPV vaccine generally is recommended to avoid cervical cancer in women, but even men should take HPV vaccine because the main source of HPV virus comes from men. I'm not sexually active, still do I take an HPV vaccine? It is important to take the vaccine even before one is sexually active because the immunity should kick in before the infection itself gets triggered. I'm already sexually active, so can I still take the vaccine? Yes, even if you are active, you will get protection from the various subtypes of HPV virus that you are not already exposed to. Does HPV vaccine cause infertility? Not at all. It is totally safe. In fact, even gynecologists promote its usage as soon as possible. Do only women get HPV related cancers? Out of the cancers that this virus can cause, only cervical cancer is what women alone get. There are other variants of cancers which the virus can cause, like oropharyngeal cancers, rectal cancers, etc., which even men can get. I already have genital warts. Will the vaccine still help me? Of course, in most people who come to the OPD with vaginal warts or genital warts in men, we still recommend going with the vaccine because the warts per se are caused by several subtypes of the virus, and you may be getting the warts from one subtype of the virus. Of course, you need protection from the various other subtypes as well, which is why you need to get the vaccination. I already got the vaccine done, so I don't need the cervical cancer screening. Just because you've had vaccination, it does not mean it will completely prevent cancer. It will only reduce the occurrence of cancer. So you should still get your cervical cancer screening done if you are above 40 years of age.